Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the WhatsApp error couldn't load object. Looks like there is something wrong with this object. First of all, make sure your WhatsApp app is updated to the latest version. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for WhatsApp and tap on Update if available. Next, open your Settings app, then tap on General. After that, go into iPhone Storage and tap on WhatsApp. Finally, tap on Offload app and reinstall it from the App Store. This helps refresh the app without losing your account data. Now, open WhatsApp again and try reloading the object. If it still doesn't load, it might be due to the sender deleting the file or a corrupted media link. In such cases, ask the sender to resend the file. Lastly, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data can also fix the problem in some cases. And that's all. That's how you can fix the WhatsApp error could not load object. Looks like there's something wrong with this object. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.